Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you're all doing well. So here I am with an unboxing of MAY Euphorbia Box. So Euphorbia Box is a monthly subscription that you can subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and in Euphorbia Box you will receive some face products, some cosmetics, and some body products. Sometimes you will receive jewelry as well. So let's just quickly open this one. So it comes in this kind of a cardboard packaging. Everywhere it says Euphorbia.com, EuphorbiaBox.com, their website. So let's just quickly unbox this one. So once we're gonna open this one, we have this reusable poly bag, you can say. So let me just quickly open this one and let's just see which bag we receive. Okay, so this is the MAY Euphorbia bag. It's dark red color, you can say, not a maroon color, but yes, it's a dark red color, blood red color. So yeah, this is the bag, like a good quality. Again, I would say let's just unzip it, and I can see two cards right here, as usual. So it says chasing the sun. The card, it says it's chasing the sun, Euphorbia, like it's summer, so it says that. So at the back of that card it says MAY Euphorbia Box, and all of the products that we receive are written here with the details and the prices. And in the next card it says chase the sun, you are entitled to a floral face and body mist. Okay, some any website. Oh, goodsoap.in, the website of there. Okay, so let's just quickly see what we have. Okay, the first thing we have is this bath Sutra Love Lavender face and body mist. Okay, wow, a white and a purple color. I love this combination. So yeah, this is the thing that we received. So this is the first thing that we received. I have to open this one. It's all plastic packaged. So this is the first product that I received. This is the Lavender Love, like a lavender fragrance. Let me see. Wow, lavender, loved it. And this is a 50 ml of product, and it's made in India, and this retails for ₹4.99. So yeah, this is the first product that we receive. And the next thing is from Good Soap, Wild Valley of 1000 Roses Bath and Shower Gel. So this is the second product that I receive, and this is the White Valley of 1000 Roses, and this is a bath and shower gel. It is 100% certified organic ingredients based, and it's in 100 ml of bottle, and this retails for ₹550. It's all sealed, so we need to, like, I can open it up. So this is full of like 1000 roses says. So yeah, so this is a good product. I am really looking forward to use this one. So the next thing that we receive is this 7 C's Crazy Matte Pen Lipsticks, and we have the shade number 624 and the shade number 602. So this time we receive two same like lipsticks, you can say, like pen lipsticks, and this retails for ₹2.99 each, like one for ₹2.99. So it comes in this kind of a bubble packaging. Let me just open it. Okay, so we have two colors right here. One is this 602 number. Let me just watch it. So this is the kind of a tangy red color, you can say. Yeah, so this is the red color, and the fragrance is like really good. So this is the 602 color, and the next shade is 624. Let me swatch it, that one as well. They seems to be pigmented, but I don't know how they're going to work it on the lips. I don't know about that. I didn't use it till now, but you can see as it is. This is the pink shade, and this is the kind of a tangy red orange, you can say, that color. So it's really pigmented and seems to be creamy matte. I think it says it right, crazy matte. Okay, so these are matte lip colors, so I love matte shades, so this will be up for me. So here we are done with an unboxing of MAY Euphorbia Box. So this time we receive only 4 products, and each and every detail about the Euphorbia Box, and if you want to buy the Euphorbia Box, each and everything will be in the description box. Make sure you check that on. So yeah, we are done for today, and I'll see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care, bye bye.